Dread that terrifying 3 a.m. wake up, your heart racing, knowing tomorrow's exhaustion is already guaranteed? It's the worst.
You're definitely not alone, and honestly, it's not your fault. Today, we're going to permanently fix it.
It's actually a biological spike in cortisol, your stress hormone, literally forcing your exhausted brain awake.
Those heavy synthetic melatonin pills just overload your receptors, causing brutal morning grogginess. You need a natural alternative.
Enter YuSleep. This natural, nano-enhanced liquid helps adults quickly reset their sleep architecture, completely hangover-free.
10 powerful nutrients work in perfect synergy to block that cortisol, boost calming GABA, and trigger deep rest.
Lemon balm blocks cortisol. B6 creates GABA, and just 0.9 milligrams of melatonin naturally signals bedtime. The results? Incredible. Jenna's Oura Ring tracked her deep sleep, literally doubling in just 2 weeks. Mary even dropped 2 dress sizes without dieting, just by fixing her sleep and letting her body heal. Lisa actually saved her marriage. After years of tossing and turning, she's finally back in the same bed.
So why do medical experts strongly recommend a full 6-month course of YuSleep for permanent success?
Think of a broken bone. The cast stops the pain fast, but the bone needs months to heal.
Week 1 stops the wake-ups, but stopping early brings them back. 6 months locks in that permanent reset.
This is exactly why adults choose the 6-bottle bundle, to permanently and completely restore their sleep architecture.
Choosing the 6-month supply today means you're paying only $1.60 for a great night's sleep.
Plus, you'll get $150 in free bonuses like sleep stories and a snack guide.
Best of all, it's completely risk-free, protected by an ironclad 60-day 100% money-back guarantee. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to order your YuSleep right now.
Go to the official website and claim your supply today. Are you ready to sleep like a baby again?